Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now? Open Meet. Google, come and join any meeting or start a new one. Once connected, click the three-dot menu at top right and choose Settings to access audio options. Make sure your browser allows notifications and microphone for Meet. Google, com, otherwise the ringtone selector won't appear. If you plan to use a custom file, have it on your computer and under 10 MB. This gets you straight into the audio settings where the real change happens. Once in Audio or Notifications, find the Ringtone section and click the drop-down to view built-in tones. If you prefer your own sound, choose Upload, navigate to your MP3 or WAV file, and confirm. After upload, press play to preview. Listen for clarity and volume balance so it's audible over background noise. Make sure your output device is set correctly in the same settings panel. Otherwise, you'll test through the wrong speaker and get misleading results. Save your changes and immediately rejoin a meeting to confirm the new ringtone is active. If you don't hear it, check the browser tab's mute state, selected output device, and that notifications are allowed for Meet. Google, com. If upload failed or the tone won't play, clear the browser cache, try incognito mode, or use another Chromium browser. Sometimes extensions block uploads. If problems persist, restart the browser and test again. This usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.